So in this video, what we're going to do is that I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted product. Now, notice that there's been quite a few of us have to close our door because of COVID or have to reposition our product. So we may have accidentally deleted our product. And this is a really cool feature that we have restored or installed in Rezdy. So I just wanted to show you now. So to do that, go into your inventories and then go into products. And then once you're here, what you will notice is that on the top, under the active products, what you need to do is to go and find a deleted product. So once you have found it, you just need to press search. And once you have searched, what the system will do is that it will give you a list of all the products that you had previously. Now, as you can see here, I've got quite a few. So what I need to do to restore the product is that I just need to press the restore button, and then it will bring that product back to life in one single click. So you no longer need to, just make sure you press restore the product. So you no longer need to recreate the product or clone the product simply just by pressing the restore button, which will save you a couple of minutes in a day, which will be really nice. But remember, once the product has been restored, make sure you go into scheduling and list the product under the calendar. Otherwise, the product will still not be displayed correctly. Now, one thing to note, and also it's a nice little takeaway, is that if you do restore any product or even orders or update any orders within Rezdy, please note that this will not update within the RedBalloon or Adrenaline. So at the moment, the integration works one way. So that means that any change that you make on Rezdy will not be updated on any of the brand I just mentioned. So please remember, and if you do need to make any change, do contact your rep or your market managers and notify of any changes. So hopefully this helps, and I know this cool feature really gives a lot of our suppliers the benefit of saving a couple of minutes every day. Anyway, so thank you, and if you have any questions, please call our help desk.